I think
That's
I should
a fucking
listen to
martini, not an old fashioned.
Mario say.
Oh my god.
I asked Mario, like, Mario, where's the fucking shaker? He say, I think it's in my car, let me check. I said, you don't need shakers for old fashioned, bro. I hope you are not shaking it. I say, I hope you didn't shaking it. He said, doesn't James Bond say, shake and not stir? I think I should listen to him. And I say, that's martini, bro.
There's some soda water. We're gonna do a bottle review today. We're gonna review a bottle
Let's do it.
that my sister brought from California.
Let's do it.
That is not found in Florida. So,
And it's alcohol free.
and it's low ABV.
Slow ABV. I heard that one before.
Yeah. I was just gonna say that. I heard that one before. That should be fun.
You do us the honor of reading the label, all right?
All right.
Read us the label. Ready?
It's not A1A, isn't it?
Woo.
Oh no, thank God.
Espada pequeña mezcal artesanal. Tradiciones de Osaka.
Oaxaca.
My bad. 100% Magüey Espadín, mezcal artesanal joven. Nuestro mezcal es construido en barras de Osaka, Oaxaca, por tercera generación de mezcal masters que practican la destilación, la tradition, the distilling traditions.
That's a long-winded way of saying that this is from Trader Joe's. Mezcal from Trader Joe's.
Ahumado, one vegetable. I'm losing my
right.
Spanish, guys.
Open
Let's
it
do
up,
it.
Let's try it.
Let's do it. Yeah, I'm losing my Spanish for some reason.
So anyways, Trader Joe's from California, they're allowed to sell hard liquor. This is their house mezcal artesanal.
And it's bottled in a. It is bottled in a. This is a.
Is it Espadín 100%?
That's, yeah, 100% Maguey Espadín.
Espadín, okay. So nice blanco.
Coven.
Let's try it.
Woo. It's 100% vegan. Very high in vitamin
Well,
B12.
yeah, because if you're having a pechuga, then it's not vegan.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very nice. I can tell there's, it's definitely low ABV.
It is. Only 40.
Okay, 40.
No animals harm in the process.
I hope it's not too expensive. This is a good mezcal for a cocktail.
It tastes very liberal.
Uh-oh, we're going there already? We're
said
going
what?
there already?
Liberal?
We're going there already?
There's a little bit of centrist in it, but mostly liberal.
Did you taste the diversity?
Yeah, 100%. I was just gonna go there.
Yeah. Do you feel the inclusion and equality? Equal pay?
I don't know about that. That's definitely missing in action there. It's pretty good though. It's good.
Since you started, what are your thoughts?
It's pretty good. It's has definitely. It's good though. I can tell it's young though. I can tell it's like definitely holding. Like it's not very complex, but I could be wrong. You tell me then.
It's not complex.
It's definitely not complex.
It's
but
young.
Yeah, I think we'll make some good mezcal margaritas, but I could be totally wrong.
Your thoughts, Dan?
I think it's good. It's a mezcal, so it would be slightly more pricey. I would say it's probably about $40-$45 price point. But with California tax, it might be slightly higher.
My money starts $30, $35 tops. Listen to this. If you can find a bottle of Eagle Rare and Trader Joe's for $30, you should be
Eagle Rare.
Yes. Last time the
Trader
last Eagle
Joe's,
Rare
I remember.
the last Eagle Rare that I brought this guy was from Trader Joe's. I was only $30. So if I can find
You bought
$30,
Eagle Rare at Trader Joe's?
proof.
Yeah, I remember seeing that.
And this gotta be no more than 40 tops at the door. That's your average mezcal.
Sorry.
That's where it starts.
There's an interruption here. If you're going to the Strand on a day, would you rather sit at the bar or at the table?
At the table.
What would you say?
Depends.
the table, because I want her to pay attention to me. I want to get her attention, and I want to be able
Okay.
to.
I'm doing the
Pick
bar.
up-
Wait, hold on. Raise my hand. I'm raising my hand. It all depends on where you're going next.
Oh.
If you went to the bar next,
Yeah.
then yes, get the table. But if that
I don't
is your
know.
only, if that
I
is your
don't know
only,
if we didn't talk about it. I'm just gonna just roll with it.
I would say it depends on what you're trying to go next,
yes.
because I'm trying to
Maybe
analyze.
sell sunroom, but I don't
No, I'm talking
know.
about after.
Well,
that.
that depends on how the date goes.
I'm
Depends on
trying
how
to.
the date goes.
I'm trying to. I'm trying to do scanning.
We'll assume
So
that
I'll
your
be able
date
to-
goes well and that you're gonna go get drinks after, like a little nightcap.
Yeah.
I would sit at a table. But if
Yeah.
if she tells you, oh, I gotta be home by 9,
Yeah.
then I would get the bar, because at the bar, you're like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It
And
happened.
then it allows for like physical touch.
Yeah.
It allows for like, oh. But if you're across from each other, it's like you can't. It's very
Yeah.
awkward. So if she says, "Oh, I gotta be home by after dinner," then get the bar so that you're able to like be in close.
Is this the first time you see where you go with her somewhere? I don't know. I want to pick up more her mannerisms, her expressions, her behavior. I want to see what she's about. I want to see it in front of me.
But is there a plan afterwards? Though?
You don't mind. You want to analyze her.
The plan, it's. I mean, I know every place is so. For me, just roll with it.
Right.
Like it's
No,
is
is
the
it-
sunroom.
But with her, like, is she down?
Sure.
Well,
I don't know. I haven't asked.
How
Do the
is
bar? They already
her-
moved me. Anyway.
can I share some personal experiences?
Mhm.
In my humble experience,
Mm-hmm.
not because it was planned. but
Actually, you know what? I would do the bar because the chef can come out.
because not
Less interrupted.
because you can get closer. It doesn't matter. You can just order drinks while the food gets there, and then you're just like closer to each other. And that in my past has served me well. So
But listen, at the end of the day, don't go by that.
No, literally for me.
Just be you.
For me, also another reason I like to go to stream for day. Also because I know it's me, so even it's like last minute.
Let's
roll with it,
yeah.
Let's do an enactment here. Shoulder, yeah, whatever, yeah, blah 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 blah. It's like, well, yeah.
Yeah.
But if we're close from each other, nothing.
But it's gonna be this.
No, look. Oh yeah, what's up? No, what happened?
Oh, I will not do that.
watch your vectors too. You always want your vector to be vertical.
Yeah,
I'll be like
Vertical
I'll
vectors.
start getting touchy and everything. So
I won't do
if
that.
I'm like, well,
at
it
the
depends.
restaurant.
It depends if you
I
you
cannot
gotta
do
read
that.
around.
Yeah, but I cannot do it there.
You just have to roll with it, man. Just roll with it. Then
Do
you
what
have to
works for
adjust your
you.
strategy.
I understand what I would do. But first, do
That's
what works
not,
for you.
That's not me, and
But that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
out of the respect of the owner, I will not do that.
Do what?
Like be like too like at the dinner, like it will be too physical.
No, you don't be too physical, but you got. I think you got more chances.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Let's see.
I was always of the theory that you should never make out with someone like at the bar, especially at your favorite bars.
Yeah.
But sometimes you get in the moment and then she's
Yeah.
on it and she's like wants to. I'm like, let's fucking
Somebody.
do it.
It seems that somebody
Fucking
broke the
do
whole
it.
theory. Somebody
I've
broke the whole
broken,
theory.
I've
Somebody
broken
broke
that
the whole
rule so
theory.
many times
If
because
okay.
she was just like fucking trying to go at it. I'm like, okay, you know what? Fine, I'm drunk enough.
Yeah.
Fuck it, let's do it.
Okay, I've done that before.
And I feel bad because I know this is a made up name. The bartender, let's say
Rin.
the bartender's Rin. This is his well, and then we're fucking making out. I'm like, I'm trying to like keep it short. By the way, I'm trying to keep it short, but I feel bad. Like you should never
Right,
eat in front of
I
the
know that
hungry.
guy.
You should never eat in front of the hungry. But if she wants to, I'm like, your wish is my command.
I will say that
So-
only happened to me once. I only broken that rule
Oh.
once, I think. It was with
X name, yeah.
yeah. So wait, what's the price point of this?
Oh wait, hold on. This reminds me of Montelobos, which is traditional mezcal. Sorry, not traditional, but very stereotypical mezcal in the sense that it's all about the smoke. So if you wanted to make cocktails, bam. So I'm hoping this is like $30, 35 at the most. But this
That's
is a
what I'm talking
solid mezcal for cocktails because you want that smokiness to shine
I was
through.
gonna say, yeah.
If you're making a mezcal margarita or mezcal daiquiri, you want the smokiness to shine through above the citrus and the sweetness.
Sounds good.
But it's good. I would have shots of this. I would drink it neat, you know.
When
There's
you
not
get-
a lot of complexity, like you guys said.
Think about it, because Vita starts at 45, 43.
38 at Walmart.
So there you go. This cannot be more than 35.
I would buy this over V though. I feel like the smokiness is more pungent.
No, I get it. Or what about, I mean, it's $38 also for Ilegal.
This is more pungent than the other one.
No, I agree. But again, it's your
Do you
house.
want to know how
brand.
much it
It's
is?
Sicily
I
accessible.
have the answer.
What?
How much is it?
20.
$20? Yeah. Stolen people. The mezcal
Why
of
you
the people.
waiting for it?
The mezcal of the people. Yeah, absolutely. This is a great deal. This is a buy ASAP. I
Yo.
would have 6 bottles of it at home.
I know. This
Bartender shots.
we throw a party.
Yeah. $20.
Woo. I do
mean,
know that the
How
Trader Joe's liquor
environmentally
in Cali
friendly
is
is
great.
this? But you know what I'm saying? Like
Shots.
they over harvest the agave plant.
I think it's that. I think this cheap enough because they bust so much ahead.
$20.
No, they probably said, okay, your whatever you produce in the next 10 years is mine as soon as I can get
Yeah.
for this much. If you give me a contract to produce mezcal
Well,
for
they
the
have a
next,
scale. The Trader Joe's has a scale.
but that's
to
what I'm
do that.
saying. They got the money to say I'll buy for you, guaranteed contract wise. That's what Walmart does with other white label brands.
What's that beat? Recording that part.
I can drink a lot of that. Like a lot of that. It's good.
Solid 8.3.
I would say a sweeter.
8.3
I would
for
say a
mezcal.
sweeter cocktail rather than the traditional margarita, because sometimes people just smoke.
I mean,
it
if we
bit.
had a shaker, we could have made a margarita, but we don't have a shaker.
I told you we can use the.
Because someone decided to use the shaker to make an old fashioned.
It don't matter. We got the soap thing is empty. We can use that for it.
The Aesop
it'll
thing
be
is
floral. It will be it got a nice scent
Oh,
to
it's
it.
bergamot.
There you go.
Someone decided to shake the old fashioned so we can shake a
Yeah.
proper
That
cocktail.
was funny though.
We can roll it though.
That was funny.
I know. It was like, doesn't James Bond say, shake and not stir? Oh my
We should do a
God.
trick. We should do a trick like how Mario shake the.
In an alternate universe,
No, hold
you
on.
shake an old fashioned.
No, but we should do for like a prank. Hey Mario, make some Tom Collins and shake them. Make sure you put the salsa water in the shakers.
The shaker. That is such a nerdy joke. That is such a nerdy bartender joke, though. Like no one will get it except bartenders, because if you put something that's carbonated in
Yeah.
the shaker, will explode on you.